Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how add event to your calendar on your Vivo V40 SE. We start off opening our calendar application. In it we must tap on day when we want to add our event. Maybe on the month view, and there tap maybe 28. There this plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event. In this part you can access this event to about what is it, about our group, family, work, or something like that, events. In this part we can set in which time event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all the event. Repeat of that if we need it, maybe every year, every month, what you prefer. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event starts, add location of that, a notification to our event if we need it. We can change color about our notification to this event, description and attachment. After you set all you need, you press save and you have it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.